They got a street sign right there. It says Rua Nova de Areia Preta. So we're just gonna walk directly down this Rua de Nova de Areia Preta, and got some beautiful trees to start out with. And we'll show you what's around here as well. Stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I think you can see that sign right there, right? So that's our street sign right there. And then we're gonna go down the street. Maybe we'll see the other street, but we're basically in this Areia Preta. The school here. There's a little street of shops straight down that way. There's like some kids got out of school. This is a bunch of industrial, so you can see an industrial place. Then a bunch of cars like Toyota, Honda, Lexus, all kinds of car dealerships and stuff like that. But we're just going to be walking down this Rua Nova de Areia Preta, the new street of Areia Preta. This area is called Areia Preta. Got Bayview Towers right in here. It's like a nice apartment building. It looks like this is called this is a bar, the after 4 bar. Huh. Kind of curious if it's. Is it empty? So okay. Looks like it's kind of empty at the moment, which makes sense. So we got a Sunsco supermarket right in here. Okay, so kind of interesting. Got some interesting stuff already. It's McDonald's right here. Bayview Tower. I think these are the 6-pack. So yeah, this is the corner of a apartment complex called the 6-pack. I filmed it a while back and find myself back here again. So the 6-pack is part of Areia Preta, and it's kind of unique, interesting buildings. Somebody told me that I should go check it out, and I did. And we're right in that area again. Haven't been up here in a while. Here's our street right here. Rua Nova de Areia Preta, and that's part of our 6-pack. These are like one block of apartments, and there's six blocks of apartments, and they're all something called the 6-pack. And since we are in this area again, I think I'll film a little bit in here. This is our cross street right here. That's our part of our 6-pack. So we're gonna go all the way down, and we're gonna go in this one a little bit. That's cool. Didn't think, haven't been here in a while. Waiting for that red light, and then we're gonna run across. Looks like they're doing construction here as well. They actually got parking spaces around here too. So that's our 6-pack right there. So each one is unique. There's 6 of them. There's like different kind of inside parts of them. So we're gonna go into one of them. We're gonna go into this one right next to us. That one. So yeah, 6-pack. Let's do it. Got some nice streets around here too. So each of these 6-pack apartment, it's like one block of apartments. It's kind of cool. Okay. Automobile stuff. Wheels. Need to get some new wheels myself. Okay, so let's go into the 6-pack. So each one has a little bit of a different theme, and it has its own little world, little entity. So I don't know what this one's going to be, but we'll find out in a minute. We'll go right in here. There's 7-Eleven. And when you go inside, you're basically like in a city block that's surrounded by all the buildings that are surrounding it. So you can kind of see all the different apartments, right? Yeah, so there's another one over on that side too, right? So there's 6 of these. So this is surrounded by apartments all the way around. And of course you can come out at any particular spot. So I could go out that way, but I think I'm gonna kind of go out this way. It's like you can also park your vehicles in here too, right? So I just want to show you more of this road. So we're just gonna kind of go in the inside a little bit. Then we're gonna come back out and then go back to that main road again. It's like this might be like a Taobao thing. E-hubs. Okay. So we're gonna head on out. It's like a freight company. You got like a little thing right in there, a little temple. That's like that's kind of like a little temple that brings like protection, I guess. Maybe somebody else can tell me more about it. I see them in a lot of shops. It's like Tudi the war god, something like that. Tudigong? Maybe it's Tudigong. Okay, so now you can see more of these 6-pack ones. So now you can see one whole block, this whole block, and then this whole block. So this is the one that we were just in. So it's an entire block. It goes all the way around. And then there's another one right here, one entire block. Goes all the way around, has its own little world inside, different stores all around it. And then another one right here. So that's number 3. And then there's another one down there, that's number 4. So it looks like it's all one giant, looks like there's like a bunch of different buildings, but actually it's actually one building here, like that spot, and then one here. So it looks like it's like 8 buildings, but it's actually just one. And then this one as well. So yeah, we're right in the middle of the 6-pack. All right. See, and there's also, this is on the northern part of Macau, so there's a bridge to Taipa right there, and it just goes straight that way. So okay, I think we're gonna finish this one by going back to our street sign. There we go. Rua Nova de Era Preta. Hope you like that one.